Hey guys, and welcome back to Jagz Upgrades. Happy New Year. We've got some wheel extenders for you today, so let's have a look. Alright, so I've got two different variants of the extenders. This one here, let's get some focus on it for you, is the 20mm version. And then this one here is the 15mm version. Okay, both of these variants do come with the screws. So the only thing that you need to do is drill the hole more bigger on the actual wheel using number 5 drill bits. Once you've drilled out the hole, then this will allow you to put the screw in. Okay, this is a comparison of both of the extenders. The top one is the 20mm and the black one is the 15mm. Okay, so using your 8mm socket and wrench, just do these hand tight. I haven't put any Loctite on these because I haven't got any, so once I get some, then I'll put some on there. Alright, this is the new body shell that I've ordered and I love it. So the only issues I had with this was that the wheels were too far in, so hence why I got the extenders. So the ones in the front are the 15mm and the ones in the back are 20mm. The ones in the back, if you have a look, they do extend a bit out, so I'm going to change the back ones to 15mm. Okay, that's pretty much it for this episode. I'll put the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you.